Yeah, hello, yes, I welcome you all to my screen. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah. So today I want to show you how to do the auto trace without experience. And as a beginner, I recommend this trade for you. Yeah, by the way, on the 29th of this month, I'm hosting my monthly class. Yeah, so if you want to join, it's just $20. Just click on the link in the description or in the bio and buy your ticket, or you can chat me if you want to buy with USDT. You can chat me and you buy, and I'll add you to the class group. Yeah. So when you open the boat, enter the boat can give you signals for you to trade manually. It tells you where to buy and where to sell, and the particular coin that you have to buy, and the market volume as well. You can also calculate your profit as well. Yeah. But to this video, the main focus is about the auto trade. Yeah, so you can see that on the auto trade, I've just done my first trade and I got 92.69 USDT, right? Yeah. So if I want to start the auto trade, first of all, it's auto trade, so everything is automatic and everything is done on the boat. So first of all, you need to deposit on the boat and transfer the money from the regular wallet to the arbitrage wallet, so that the boat will be using the arbitrage wallet to trade for you. So after that, then you come here. This how the boat, we have the demo session here and we have the real session here. Yeah. So after that, you come here, then you have the spread. The higher the spread, the higher the reward and the higher the risk. Yeah. But one thing is that the boat don't lose. Yeah, the boats don't lose. But at times when you select higher risk and higher spread, and when the boat set and it's not getting higher spread for you, it can choose any spread and trade for you. Yeah. So let me choose 2.5 spread, and after that, because I have money in my arbitrage wallet, I will enter the amount. That's 11,624. Then you select all of the exchanges and you click on execute trade. So the bot will start connecting the exchanges for you. I've already told that the bot is already connected to the API, so there's no need for you to connect your own. Yeah, all you have to do is just be cashing out from the bot. Yeah. So you can see that it's connecting to the exchanges. Yeah, it's just simple like that. And this one don't need any experience about crypto arbitrage. The only thing that you need experience is when you want to do the manual trade. This is when you getting the signals and be trading it manually. That's when you need the experience and the skill. But if you want the ball to trade for you, that one you don't need any experience. Just follow what I'll be telling you, then initiate the trade, and that's it. And that is it. So you can see that it's now connected and it's doing the preheating. So this when the bot is warming up connection and fetching live prices. This when the bot is searching for the signals for us to trade on it. So just simple. And one thing about the bot is that you can close it and open it at any time you want, and still it will be trading. But you have to know that this is not a financial advice. You have to do your research about it before you can use it. Yeah. Because me, I've already done my research about it. That's why I'm using it. Yeah, and I've been using it for long. So that I've been making more than 11. I'm making more than $11,584 as well as profit. Yeah. So it means that I've been making a lot of profits from it. Yeah. So let's see. So it's done with the preheating. This one is doing the magic. Yeah, it's doing the arbitraging. You can see that. You can see the coin is trading, where it's buying from, and where it's selling, and the spread as well. Yeah, and the spread as well. Yeah, so it's doing the arbitraging for me. So it's doing the arbitraging. And one thing is that it doesn't take long. Within 10 minutes, you're good to go. Yeah, so still doing the arbitraging. Let's wait. Yeah, so it's still doing it. You can see the coin that is buying, where it's selling it, and the spread. You can see everything over here. Everything is transparent for you to see. Yeah, so you know what the bot is doing. Yeah, so the arbitraging is almost done. So after there, it will go straight to finalizing. And after that, we are good to go. Yeah, you can see that. So my expected profit now is for 38.60. The first one I aimed 90 plus, and this one is 36.60. Yeah, still not bad. Yeah, still not bad. That means I've been earning like $130 for this trade. Yeah, that's good. So you can see that right now I have 4,901, right? So when it's done, it will add up. And you can withdraw your profit anytime, any day. Everything is at, yeah, you can withdraw your profit to anytime, any day. So I'll be hosting a class on the 29th, and the boat will be giving it to you for free. The boat will be giving it to you for free, and I also teach you more more of crypto arbitrage. I will show you exchange to exchange, bank to exchange. I will show you how to use the boat to do your manual trades and the auto trades as well. Yeah, so just buy your ticket and let's meet and let's cash out together. I'm Crypto Lord and I'm out.